So when you cannot speak Japanese, maybe you feel, I don't remember the words. I need to study harder. I don't understand how to make the sentences. So I need to learn the grammar. Most of people actually think like this, but it's really wrong. What about your pronunciation? What about, the native phrases? What's up? You don't need to learn the grammar, right? What's up? But what about these native Japanese phrases? When you're learning the grammar, are you really learning the native phrases? When you start speaking, oh my God, my speaking is really bad because this is not natural at all. It's like a robot. This is like a textbook. Something is going wrong. You are not stupid. But maybe whatever you use this textbook is maybe wrong. It's teaching you really unnecessary things. Useless words, useless grammar, and what about your pronunciation, native phrases, answering skill, responding skill, and introducing skill, and listening skill. If you do the right training, you'll be able to speak Japanese in just 2 months. But please stop doing this wrong method to study.